Have you ever wondered how can I access all of my orders from Amazon? Well, Amazon used to allow us to just go in and download our order history and then, they took that away for whatever reason it may be. I'm sure it was taken advantage of some level, right? But it's just so valuable, especially as an Amazon influencer, to be able to go in and access all of your purchase and order history. I know for me, I'm constantly consulting my order history to find out, should I make a video on this product? Or, oh, look, I forgot about this product and, oh, I should be making a video on this, right? But ever since Amazon took away this ability to download our order history easily, I've had so many questions from people like, how do I go find my order history? And it makes it really, really difficult when you have to scroll and scroll through all these different pages, right? And if you are brand new to this channel, one thing that I do need to let you know is that I am very protective of my time. I think time is our most valuable resource. So you're never going to get any fluff from me. We're getting straight to the point on this, right? Because there are so many different ways to utilize in order to earn more money with the Amazon influencer program. So I'm going to show you the quick way that I found that you can actually go and download your order history. It's just a little bit different than how we were allowed to do it before. So that order history report, you can't access it anymore, but you can actually go into your Amazon account and request that Amazon send you your order history. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. All right, so all you have to do is go to your Amazon.com or whatever country you are in, go to the main page on Amazon, and you're going to go over to your accounts, right? We just want to go to your account and click on that account. Now, this is going to pop up with all this different stuff. You can look through your orders here. Okay, it's a little bit deceiving because that's not where we're going to look for our main order history. But if you scroll all the way down, all the way down. They really don't make this easy, right? So if you scroll all the way down here to manage your data, okay, click on request your data. Now, here we go. You can select the data that you want. Just know that it could take an hour, it could take a day. Typically, when I do this, it takes a few hours for it to actually come back. But here's all you do: click this drop down and go to your orders, right? This file contains information about all of your orders, including everything, where it was delivered to, how much you paid, your billing information, all that good stuff, okay? And what Amazon is going to do is we're going to submit this request, and what they're going to do is they're going to go compile every single thing you've ever bought through your Amazon account, and that is going to be the report that you get. So it's not even like you're getting your order history from last week or last year, it's your entire order history. So I do recommend you do this as much or as often as you need to. I know with tax season, this is very nice to have, because then you can go through all your Amazon orders and say, okay, what did I purchase for my business or not, especially if you're not using an Amazon business account. So all you have to do is click on your orders, go to submit request, and then we just wait, right? Amazon is then going to send you an email with all of your orders in there. This really could not be easier. The problem is that they just have hidden it a little bit from us. So this is the easiest, most straightforward way to download your Amazon order history report. Go here, go there, click submit, and then we just wait. I know for me, when I figured this out, it was a huge time saver. I am all about how to save time, make more money, and being able to access your Amazon order history is a huge way to do both of those if you are an Amazon influencer. So if you found this video helpful, I would just love if you would click subscribe, give me a thumbs up so that I know that it's been helpful. And if you didn't know about this, I'd love to hear in the comments if you found this helpful. And I'd really love to know how long it takes Amazon to send you your order history. I think the longer it is, how many things you've bought, the longer it takes them to send it to you. But I'm really curious to find out, did this work for you, and how long did it take Amazon to send you your order history? So if you found this helpful, again, go ahead, click and subscribe to make sure that you are always on the up and up to know when I publish a new video. I'm constantly putting out new videos all about how you can create more great content and earn more money with the Amazon Influencer Program. And if you're really serious about earning the big bucks with the Amazon Influencer Program, I do recommend that you grab my totally free masterclass where I walk you through my 5-step system to help you scale to $10,000 plus every single month with the Amazon Influencer Program. This opportunity has been a game changer for me, for my business, for my finances, and I'm really excited to share all of my knowledge with you. I've been helping people do this for quite some time now, and we've got some really great results of people that have gone through the masterclass and are just making money so quickly right afterwards. So make sure you grab that masterclass. The link's going to be right below here, or you can grab it at kathleencoble.com/masterclass. So I hope to see you in the masterclass, and I will definitely see you in the next video.